Hey you guys, it's Cerese with Cerese D Magazine, and we are back for a Hibiscus Margarita. Okay, so the first step, what we're gonna do, we are going to marinate the hibiscus flowers or the little petals into the tequila. So I'm gonna take this container and I'm just gonna pour all of it. This is a 750 liter. We're gonna pour all this into this 4-quart container. And then we're gonna take one cup of hibiscus leaves. And these are the shredded ones, but it doesn't matter if they're shredded or if they're the whole ones, just as long as it's hibiscus. So we are going to let this sit. Now, I've seen different time ranges up to 2 weeks. I'd let mine sit for about 12 hours. When this finishes, you will have an infused hibiscus tequila. Okay, so we're gonna start with our margarita, and we're going in with about 3/4 of an ounce of Cointreau. We're gonna put that in. And then I wanna go in with some simple syrup. I like an ounce. If you like it sweeter, go sweeter. If you don't like it that sweet, go less. And then our hibiscus infused tequila. So keep in mind, this is very, what is it? It can stain. Okay, so like I put a towel here in case it spills, it doesn't get all over my cutting board. So we're going in with 2 ounces of tequila because we want us a strong margarita. All right, so we've got everything in except our lime juice. And let's get about an ounce of lime juice going. All right, in we go with our lime juice, and we already have our ice in there. So let's give it a shake. Into our glass, we want to have some ice. I think we're going to garnish with a lime wheel since our petals are the shredded kind. Okay, and there you have it. That is our hibiscus margarita.